when you are going for French oral exam, the examiner can ask you, talk about your apartment. If you don't have vocabulary words, you'll be limited in what to say. So in this video, I want to take my time and give you some vocabulary words that you need to know before you start going for French exam. Now, without wasting time, let us jump to it and then start reading. You can even see the English here, so I think it will help you to understand what you are saying. So the first one that we have here, let me zoom out. Yeah, we have here la maison. La maison. You can say it after me so that you can get the pronunciation. You understand? La maison. Then you have l'appartement. You can see, so maison is house, then l'appartement is apartment. Nous avons ici le salon. Le salon. Nous avons la chambre. La chambre. La cuisine. La cuisine. La salle de bain. La salle de bain. Les toilettes. Les toilettes. Le balcon. Le balcon. Le jardin. Le jardin. Le garage. Le garage. La salle à manger. La salle à manger. Now, here I want to underline something. You see this ER. Many English speaking people, when they come to things like this, they will be calling it A instead of A. ER give you sound A. Le couloir. Le couloir. L'entrée. L'entrée. Now, this is another challenge also that English people are having. You see this mark on the E. Yeah. So that will make it sound A. Because many people think, you may know that when you have E at the end of something in French, it's not giving you sound, it's silence. For example, like this garage. So garage here is silent because it's E. You understand? Say garage. Garage, not garage. But when you come to this place, is what? Entrée. Why is this one sounding? It's because of the accent that is on it. You understand? So I think this accent of things, you need to master it very well. It will help you. I have a package for that where I talk about accent, I talk about sound in French, and I talk about nasal in French. So there are things that can help you to know how to read very well in French. I have a package for that. So if you need it, I have a link in the description. Click on that link so that you can get it. Now look at this also, like OU. That's U. OU's U. Now we have OI. That's UA. So those are things you need to know. So when you are speaking, you sound like what? French native. Somebody from French country. You understand? So have the package. Click on the link to get that package, nasal package. Very, very important. So let us move on. Now here I have what? Les meubles et objets. Le lit. Not le lit. Non, le lit. La table. La chaise. Le canapé. You see, the accent is here. Le canapé. If not, to be le canap. Poison. Le canapé. Here what? L'armoire. I told you about OI. OI is OI. L'armoire. Le bureau. This is another one also that I have in my package here. You see, EAU. Give you sound O. Just O. Just like letter O, like this O. That's what these three things are giving you. Give you some O. You understand? Le bureau. So I've explained all those in that package. So it's very important for anybody that want to go for French exam, especially when you go to TCF exam or TEF exam or TCF exam. You understand? Because speaking is very important. Alright, so let's move on. You have what? Le miroir. Le what? Réfrigérateur. Wow, this word I believe it's very difficult for some people to pronounce. Le réfrigérateur. And also, if you want to join my private class, the link is in the description. La télévision. La télévision. This sound also is very difficult for English people to pronounce. Zion. Zion. La télévision. Réfrigérateur. La lampe. La douche. Le four. Okay, let's move on. This place is what description. I'm going to describe, or if you want to describe un logement. So you have what? Grand. You have grand. And when you add E to it, it will be grand. Listen to the pronunciation very well. Without E is grand. But with E is grand. Grand. You understand? So when you add E to it, that means you are talking about feminine adjective. Is that clear? Alright, so you have petit. With E is petite. Moderne. Moderne. Ancien. Ancienne. With E like this. Ancienne. Confortable. Propre. Calme. Bruyant. With E is bruyante. Lumineux. Lumineuse. Joli. With E is joli. Is that clear? So those are the adjectives you can use to describe your apartment. How is your room? How is your living room? How is your parlor? How is description of our apartment? You need what? Adjective. And those are the few adjectives you must master. Thank you. Let's move on. This place you have a structure. How can you start making some little sentences in French? Okay, this is a structure here. We have what? There is or there are. So in French is what? Il y a. So if you say il y a, you say two things in English, whether there is or there are. So you have il y a, then plus the what? A noun. So what are the nouns? We have plenty of them here. You see all this you are seeing here are the noun you can use. So let me give you this example. Il y a 3 chambres. Il y a 3 chambres. You can say il y a 2 chambres. Il y a 1 chambre. So that's how you can form little sentences in French. Here what? Il y a un balcon. Dans ma maison, il y a une grande cuisine. So this place you have what? Adjective. You understand? So in the comment section, write your own sentence. Write your own and tell me what you have in your house. Like start the sentence with what? Dans ma maison, then complete it with your own sentence in the comment section. I will check it and see it. So I don't want to waste too much of time on this topic. I said it before. If you need the package of the nasal, the pronunciation, the package, I'll put the link below. Check it so that I can get it. And then also if you want to join my private class, the link is in the description. If you have any challenge, you can also write it in the comment section. I will answer it